How to add Amazon affiliate link to Instagram Reel. So in order to add an affiliate link to your Instagram Reel, you first need to head over and open in here your Instagram. From in there, click onto this plus icon and then choose in here the Reel option. And now you can add in here the Reel that you want. I'll head over and choose in here this. Now click on next once you're done editing the video. From in there, you can see in here some more options. You can add in here this more options option and you can add the product details. So since this is actually a t-shirt from Amazon, I'll head over and choose in here or put in here title, which is t-shirt, and I'll input right here the price. Click on done once you're done with this. Now from in there, you can just input in here the actual link into the caption. Paste that from there, then click on OK or click on the share right here in order to post it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.